This problem has to do with retail and wholesale prices and price markup. So a retailer marks up the wholesale price for items by 20% to get the retail price. We want to know if the wholesale price is $50, what will the retail price for that item be? So for these types of problems, we can use the equation that the wholesale price plus the markup times the wholesale price will give us the retail price. So instead of price, actually, I'm going to write R for retail. There are a lot of different versions for this equation. This is one way we can write it. So we're taking our wholesale, we're marking it up by a certain amount, multiplying that markup by the wholesale price, and that gives us the retail price. So if the wholesale price is $50, then in that equation, we would put $50 for wholesale each time. And then the markup for this situation is 20% for this particular retailer. So as a decimal, that's 0.20. So for the markup, we're going to put 0.20. And again, we get that by dividing the percentage by 100 or by moving the decimal place twice to the left. That's how we get the 0.20. Okay. So this means that if we take the $50 and then we add to that 20% or 0.20 times the $50, that'll give us our retail price. So 0.2 times 50 is 10 to get the retail price. So the retail price is 50 plus the markup amount of $10. So the retail is $60 for this item. Now let's say that the retail price for a different item is $28, so part B. We want to know what the wholesale price for that item was. Well, if we use that same equation, wholesale plus the markup times the wholesale equals the retail price, we can use that equation, but this time we don't know the wholesale. That's what we're trying to find. So we can leave the W in the equation, but we do know the retail price is 28. And we still know that the markup is 20% or 0.20. So with this type of equation, we're kind of working backwards to get the wholesale price, whereas part A, we had the wholesale price. We were just using that, multiplying by the markup, and adding the two together to get the retail. But this right here is just a linear equation that we can solve as a linear equation. So on the left side, we can combine like terms. So the W plus 0.20 times W. W is really 1W. So 1 plus 0.20 is 1.20 W equals 28. And then to solve for W, we would divide both sides by 1.20. And that is 23.33. So that means that the wholesale price, if we round to two decimals, it's actually a long repeating decimal, is $23.33. So in general, whenever we have a markup from wholesale to retail, we're expecting that the retail price is going to be larger. So the wholesale price is smaller here, the retail price is larger. However, if we have the retail price to start with, then the wholesale price is going to be smaller because it's before the markup happened.